Somebody's enjoying the juice. Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you? Today I'll be illustrating the Diary of the Wimpy Kid, my favorite book. We will select one scene to draw. So here is it. This is Greg and that is from Roy, and this is the sad waiter. Greg and Roy are having ice cream juice, but he has none. So let's get started with Greg. Greg is the main character of the book. Do you like this book? I love it. But hey, Greg hates books. So what's your type of drawing? You know my brother always practices to draw realistic drawings, but I love doodling and book illustrations like these. I think they're cute, like me, so it's my kind of thing. Hey, do you like his hairstyle? He's nearly bald. Now we're gonna give him a glass of ice cream juice. Delicious. And we colored the umbrella from the yellow word, his eyes and his wide open mouth to drink it all up. I'm sorry my hand is covering my drawing. I just have my habit. I try a dozen later. Now comes Roly Poly, his best friend, and even he has a cup of juice to drink it all up. So now I'm drawing his wiggly squiggly arms and his cute baby's 2 teeth. His nose is big and fat. Do you notice how I draw these cute looking ears? They're easy peasy, roly squeezy on Roly. Now comes my favorite part, the hairstyle. He isn't nearly bald, but his best friend is. And now we're coming towards the grumpy mustache guy. He's so grumpy. And the reason he's so grumpy, I think, is because he didn't have any of the yummy lunch they are having. How would it make you feel? So guys, there's only one rule for doodles and illustrations. The simpler and cuter, the better. Now I'm done. How'd you like it? And Greg will throw books on you if you don't like and subscribe. Understand?